In this short tutorial, I'll show how to buy shares of Eagle Football Group SA, a company active in football club ownership and sports operations. It trades on Euronext under the ticker EFG.PA, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade, and I'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker EFG.PA to find Eagle Football Group SA. Select the matching result to make sure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, check the basic company information and inspect the price chart to confirm this is Eagle Football Group SA. Verify the ticker shows EFG.PA before moving on. Tap Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you wish to visit the platform.